Hello everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you how to use Flask, a macro server, to build a basic functional app. Just get it up and running. Just print something, display something very simple, maybe like hello, this is my first web app, and alright. So let's get into it. So first, let's go create. I'll go to my document, and then what do we have here? Okay, I'll make a directory called web app. We'll go into the web app. So it is recommended that from the YouTuber that I've been following, that we create. We put this app into the virtual environment. So I'm going to use the pip-inv to install the Flask. It is installing, and also it's create a virtual environment. I think it's almost done. It's yeah, just wait. As you can see here, this is where our virtual environment was located. This is the path. Okay, it's done. So in order to activate the virtual environment, what we need to do is type pip-inv, use the command shell. Alright, we're already in the virtual environment. So the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to use the Visual Studio Code to open the folder. Document web app. Okay. So we're gonna create a file called app.py. So the first thing we need to do, we need to import from Flask, import Flask with the capital F, and then we're gonna initiate app. We're gonna assign the Flask dash name, and then we assign Flask to the app, and then we're gonna create the if name equals main dash main. Then we're gonna say app run. We're gonna use this method. So this is later when we run this module, and this code gonna be run. And then we're gonna define the path. So we're gonna use the declaration function app.route. So here we can put the backslash. We put the backslash, and this is our home directory. So, and then we're gonna create the function. We can call this one home. And then here we gonna return, it's gonna, at this route, it's gonna return everything we're gonna put in here. I know like we could use the template, but right now we can just put simple a text here. So whatever we put right here, and it's going to be displayed when we run the app. So we can put, hey, h1, we can put the header. This is a HTML tag, so we can say Flask app, and we can put something, hey, this is my first Flask app. So we're gonna save this file, and then we're gonna go back to the terminal. And we already have our virtual environment activated. So all we need to do is just Python run the file app.py. So we didn't get any error, and then we just need to copy this URL into our browser. It's working, and I'm so glad I didn't make any mistake. And then you can tell here, it just run whatever the function returns. So Flask app, that's the H1 element, that's the header one. And then we have our content here. Hey, this is my first Flask app. Okay guys, that's it for today's video. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.